Hi, I'm Juanita, a customer care specialist at Medical Guardian, and I'm here to walk you through your quick and easy setup process. Your Classic Guardian package includes everything you need to install your device so that the system is ready to use in no time. Let's get started. First, select a location for the base station. You should place the base station close to your home's main landline phone jack or modem. Second, you're going to install the phone line. To do this, simply unplug the phone cord from your phone and plug it into the line-in socket on the back of the base station. Then, plug one end of the phone cord into your phone and the other into the two phone socket on the base station. Your system also came with a UL bracket, which is optional to install, but it ensures that the base station cannot be unplugged from an outlet, so it's recommended you do so. To install your bracket, you'll first want to remove the screw from the power outlet's base plate. Slide the bracket over the Classic Guardian plug and then plug the base station into the outlet, making sure that the two holes align. Then screw both the faceplate and the UL bracket onto the power outlet. Now you're ready to turn on your base station. Once the base station is plugged in, all you have to do is turn it on using the switch on the bottom. After a few minutes, the lights will stop flashing and both the power and communication indicators will light up green.